Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still believe that this is going to end up continuing up. I still think it's going to go up and take out these highs, most likely form a big uptrend for either a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe this whole first section of trend is a wave 1. To me, especially looking at the dollar index, I do believe this is like an A, B, C, D, E, and I think that we're probably not done going down yet, but eventually we will end that and go up to make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I believe we're going down for a wave E. We do have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here, but at least until we see some sort of a break of structure to the upside, which we definitely have not done so yet, I am still looking at all moves to the upside as corrections to that downtrend. I still think we're going down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels to finish off this wave E before we actually do end up breaking structure to the upside and continuing the uptrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement here because it does look like we are in a correction right now. I do see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, so most likely we're in a correction to this last wave. It does look like impulsive up like a wave A, it does look like corrective down like a wave B, and it does look like it needs to go up more to make a wave C. I think we're going to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, then we're going to make an impulsive move down and end up continuing the downtrend. So I'm definitely going to be looking for shorts primarily on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely kind of resembles to me like an A, B, C, and then a D, and it kind of looks like we're going up now for like a wave E, which is basically just a 5 wave correction. I think we're going to at least go up and take out the high of wave C, probably at least to the 50, maybe even the 61.8, before we make an impulsive move down, before we see a break of structure, proving that the correction is over, and before we end up continuing the downtrend. So depending on what time frame you trade, if you trade below the 1 hour, you definitely could be looking for longs in an uptrend, but the trades that I'm definitely primarily looking for personally is the end of this ABCDE correction for an entry to go short for the continuation of that big wave E that I was showing on the daily time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.